2 hours pre-block. Kevin's ready to go. Chris over here.
What am I supposed to do? Like, what am I pumped to go 100 under again?
Okay, come on now.
100 over. I've been eating 700 chocolate covered almonds. I think that's why I'm not bowling good, because I feel awful. Hey guys.
Don't say that.
When you're a grown man and you get out of the shower, where do you tie your towel at when you're like drying off?
I don't know.
I'll answer. Everyone ties it at the waist. Not Mitch Hoope. He ties it up at his rib cage.
It's just there's more area to tie it to.
It just
He's
looks
drying off
like
his
you're wearing a
areolas.
high-waisted skirt.
I don't even have a rebuttal. It's just always how I put my towel on.
It's so funny though.
It could be a low shirt.
And he just walked in with he walked in with his hands up like this or something. He was like, "You ready to leave?"
I don't have a mic on Kev, so this is probably gonna sound horrible.
No! I'm not doing it. Yeah.
Aced.
Also, guys, quick little break in the action. If you guys want, we do have 20% off our merch on thehousebowling.com. We also got a new design out, so be sure, go over to thehousebowling.com, check it out, and use code USOPEN at checkout for 20% off. Now let's get back into the action. All right, guys, so my recap of the day, they were literally impossible. Going plus at all was a miracle. I went like minus 20 something with 170 the last game, or 30 something with 170 the last game. Just kind of throwing it at the pocket and praying that it would hit that it wouldn't hook, or it would be a good enough shot to hit the pocket, and not from there pray that it strikes. So yeah, it was just an absolute blast bowling tonight. We get another opportunity tomorrow because I made the cut. I think I would probably like 34th or something like that, barely squeaking in. So made the cut. Looking forward to tomorrow. Different pattern, different me. It's time to make a run.
We all drove around ASU. Be the guy shoot 300 with it. Really double.
Just yo. Yeah, nah, I'm good.
Came in very good today. Pull up there and see Rich. It's online.
My recap today, made the cut. Actually, I kind of like gave up the last game, and then the grip pressure goes away, and then you get all the breaks, and then you end up shooting 258. It was interesting. I didn't give up. I was going up there still throwing shots. I was actually very unfocused because I ended up starting the last game blowing on the wrong lane, and I struck. So then by rule, you have to erase it and then go on the correct lane, and then I struck again. Had I left something, I have to take that spare for that frame, and I don't get that shot on that lane, on the left lane. I dialed it back in, the focus, towards the end of the game. Once I realized, I'm like, wait, if I strike out here, I can get to like 40 something over. Like, that might be close. This new fit that I came in, spares have been better. Pattern 4, we're gonna get this practice session in, see how it goes. Drilled 2 new balls, NV Tour solids, get it.